Welcome to my lecture on probability. If you would like daily help from me, like most of the people who follow me on my channel, then feel free to press subscribe down here so that you can get daily help from me. I upload daily. Okay, today we're busy with probability. Probability is a section of mathematics that analyzes the likelihood of an event happening or not happening. So this can vary from impossible to equally possible to certain. So there is a formula that we're going to apply. The formula is probability equals the actual outcome, so we'll look at that now, divided by possible outcomes. So let's go and do a few examples. Right, so here we have a few cubes or squares, and you can see we have 12 in total. So if we were to work out the possibility of red, now when you write red here, just to educate you a bit, P stands for possibility and red means the possibility of red. So this one would be the possibility of blue and so on. Okay, so red would be, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's 4 of them out of possible 12. So it'll be 4 over 12 based on our formula. The number of actual outcomes over the possible outcomes, okay? And we're going to then divide 12 into 4. We're going to get 0.33 and always convert it to a percent by multiplying it by 100. So that's a 33% chance that the red would come up if we were to dig in a bowl and there were 4 red out of 12. Well, what's our option of blue? We've got 3 blues here. So that'll be 3 over 12. And that, if you divide 12 into 3, is 0.25. When we multiply by 100 to get it to a percent, we end up with 25%. Okay, green would be 2 over 12. And that would be 16%. Yellow would be 3 over 12. And that would be 25%. Here's a trick. What would the potential of a black square be? Absolutely 0. There isn't even one in the pack. So let's look at another sample of stuff. If we were to use the letters here, they make up the word eaten. Okay, now we're going to say, what's the possibility of an E? Well, there's 2 E's here, 1 and 2. Out of, how many letters have we got there? We have 5 letters. So 2 out of 5 is the possibility, and that would work out to a percentage of 40%. What's the possibility of a vowel? Okay, we know our vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. So we have 1, 2, 3 vowels. So that would be 3 out of 5, and that would be 60%. What's the possibility of a consonant? In other words, not a vowel. We have 2 of them. So that would be 2 out of 5, and that would become 40%. What is the possibility of a Z up there? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Right, so just a reminder, if you aren't following me yet, you can press subscribe down here so that you can get daily help. And this concludes the short lecture on probabilities. Remember your formula, there it is, and apply that formula at all times. See you in tomorrow's lecture.